everyone, my name is Dan Tofan and welcome to my course Importing Data from Relational Databases in R. I'm a senior software engineer and I enjoy helping people get things done. Your R code works well locally with some test data. How can you make it also work with data from a database? A database has much more data than you can store locally, and you need to use some of that data in your R code. This course gives you 3 concrete steps to get the data you need from a relational database into your R code. The first step is connecting to a database, since no connection means no data. Therefore, you need to know how to connect, then how to troubleshoot connection issues, and also how to secure credentials. Once connected, the next step is to freshen up your SQL skills so that you gain confidence to query the database and get the data you need into your R code. Additionally, we look into how to get a lot of data and how to use parameters for queries. The final step is getting data using the dplyr package, which is a very powerful tool for data manipulation. dplyr works with various data sources, including relational databases, and it generates automatically SQL code for you so that you can focus on data manipulation. Take this course now and learn how to put together the capabilities of databases to handle large data with the power of R for making the most out of your data.